Hello, my name is Peter. My partner David and I chose to make an arcade stick for our 362 project. As can be seen here, the arcade stick has 8 face buttons, a digital joystick, and also has a start and select button on the front side. As can currently be seen, the arcade stick acts as a Windows game controller. The arcade stick is fully functional and does not require any setup or software. Here we show that Windows recognizes the game controller and responds appropriately to the various inputs. Looking through the top of the arcade stick, you can see LEDs that replicate the layout of a standard game controller. These allow for the player to see what the button pushes currently correspond to. This brings us to our last feature, which is button remapping. At any point in time, the user can hold down the start and select button for 3 seconds to put their controller into remap mode. Remap mode allows for mapping of all the face buttons. This process is done by the arcade stick cycling through the possible controller inputs and waiting at each one for the user to press the button they desire to be mapped to that input. By looking at the LEDs, the user can see what controller input they are currently mapping to. While I explain the basic design, here's a quick demo of the arcade stick being used to play Tetris. Our design was to allow one Arduino to receive button input and send it to the computer while also sending a byte array of the button states to the second Arduino. The second Arduino then lights up the appropriate LEDs and checks the requirements for remapping. If the requirements are met, it sends a signal back to the first Arduino for it to enter remap mode. I hope you enjoyed our video demo. Thank you for your time.